In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. My dear brothers and sisters, one of the greatest blessings that Allah has given us is time. Every second of our life is a part of our test, and every moment that passes will never return again. Yet, many of us waste hours, even days, on distractions, endless scrolling, gaming, chasing things that have no benefit in this life or the next. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "There are two blessings which many people lose: health and free time." Sahih al-Bukhari. This hadith is a warning. Free time is not just a break, it is a trust from Allah. If it is not used wisely, it becomes a regret on the day of judgment. The Quran also reminds us, "By time, indeed mankind is in loss, except for those who have believed and done righteous deeds and advised each other to truth and advised each other to patience." Surah Al-Asr. This short surah teaches us that time is life itself. Every moment is either an investment in your akira or a loss that can never be recovered. Think about how much time today's generation spends online, hours on social media, entertainment, and distractions. Yet, when it comes to prayer, Quran, or even spending time with family, suddenly we don't have time. The truth is, it is not that we don't have time, it is that we don't value time the way Islam teaches us to. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also said, "Take advantage of 5 before 5. Your youth before your old age, your health before your sickness, your wealth before your poverty, your free time before your busyness, and your life before your death." Al-Hakim, authenticated by Al-Albani. This powerful reminder shows us that time is one of the most precious opportunities we have, but it is slipping away with every heartbeat. So how can we stop wasting time? Value Salah first. Make prayer the anchor of your day. Limit distractions, reduce endless scrolling, and replace it with Quran recitation or beneficial learning. Set goals, even small ones, like reading a page of Quran daily or memorizing a short surah. Remember death. Our time can end at any moment, and what will remain are our deeds. My dear brothers and sisters, wasting time is one of the biggest tricks of Shaitan. He doesn't always make us fall into sin directly. Sometimes he just makes us waste our life until it is too late. Let us wake up before our time runs out. Use every moment as an opportunity to please Allah, to improve ourselves, and to build our akira. Because once the clock stops, there will be no second chance. May Allah bless our time, forgive our shortcomings, and make us among those who use every moment in His obedience. Ameen. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever guides someone to goodness will have a reward like one who did it." Muslim. Sharing beneficial knowledge and reminders about the akira is a beautiful sunnah. If this message touched your heart, consider sharing it with your family, friends, and community, so they too may find peace and return to Allah.